Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain to you what Proxy is on CapCut. If you import a file to CapCut, now if you look at this file, you will see a Proxy sign on it. It means the Proxy is activated. And what Proxy does is to reduce your file to an editable format while retaining the quality. If you're bringing in an every file in CapCut, that will make your video editing lag or reduce the efficiency of the editing speed. This Proxy will help you eliminate that issue. So when you activate Proxy and you import files that are heavy or will not go smoothly on CapCut. CapCut will reduce the file size while still retaining the quality to enable you have a seamless editing process. And to activate this, you come to your menu, click on settings. When you click on settings, you come to performance. You will see Proxy. Because I've already turned it on mine, that is why you are seeing it. So it says turn it on to edit smoothly and faster without losing video quality. So if you bring in an heavy file and it is going to cause a lag in your editing process, with your Proxy turned on, it will reduce the video size for seamless editing process without reducing the quality. So when you export, you will still retain the exact quality of the video. So turn it on to enjoy a seamless editing experience. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.